Are you a GIS professional working in an enterprise environment? Do you need a basemap that takes its data from authoritative sources, but also need it to be available for use offline? I'm Evan Forbes. I'm a GIS analyst here at Esri Canada. I work with data contributors from across the country to build the Community Map of Canada. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to take the Community Map of Canada offline in your enterprise environment. The Community Map of Canada takes its data from authoritative sources and is updated daily with new versions published bi-weekly, with the offline and disconnected basemaps updated once a month, so you can be confident you are using up-to-date information in your GIS applications. Let's begin by signing into the enterprise environment and going to the Content tab. We are going to add a new item from a URL. This URL can be found in the associated Esri blog post, which is linked in this video's description. Ensure that Store Credentials with Service Item is selected. You will need to enter your ArcGIS Online credentials to host this layer. Give the item an appropriate title and tags so it can be easily accessed in the future, and incorporated into as many apps as you desire. Next, we'll add our basemap to a new web map. In our web map, start by adding the layer that was just created through the Add Data button. Now, we will move this layer to the basemap using the More Options button and selecting Move to Basemap. We will remove any existing basemap layers using this same process. You may also want to rename the basemap layer so it more accurately describes the data source. Don't be alarmed by the grayscale at small scales. As you zoom into the map, you'll see your data displayed in greater detail. Now, we will save the web map with descriptive tags and a summary, and navigate to the enterprise item for the web map we are using. In this final step, we are going to check the settings. Though offline mode is enabled by default, we are still going to ensure that offline mode is enabled for our web map. In this section, we are going to configure our basemap for use in an ArcGIS Enterprise environment where there is no internet connection, or internet access is prohibited by your organization. Follow these steps to implement the vector tile package into your disconnected environment. We will begin by downloading the vector tile package available through the ArcGIS Online group mentioned in the associated blog post. Ensure you download the file ending in VTPK. Once the download is finished, go to the Content tab for your organization. We are going to add an item from our computer. Select the Create a Hosted Layer option. Give your layer a name and descriptive tags. The tile layer can now be added to Map Viewer or Scene Viewer, and you can add the tile layer to the basemap using the same steps as the offline version. You also have the option to manage map areas to create small AOIs, packages for offline use. And that's it! You can now use the Community Map of Canada offline in your enterprise environments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more GIS content from us here at Esri Canada.